Race Offshore Key West Shootout here. Sponsored the Dirt Legal Velocity Factory racing boat. Just had a great day on the water, and we've got a couple of good races ahead. A lot of action out here in Key West for the Race World Offshore event. We've got a full house. A lot of teams out here on the water, putting up record numbers, going faster than we've ever seen as technology gets better and better. Got the Dirt Legal Velocity Factory racing boat, came in second today. Got some more races coming up on Sunday. Looking forward to a great weekend. Got the Dirt Legal boat, going off to get washed, getting ready for the next race, gonna bring home the championship.